episode. Today we're gonna be doing fluffy soap, aka soap souffle. We don't have Ivory, but because it's the pandemic, but we do have Dial, which I'm gonna unpack right now and put it in this water to see if it floats. If it floats, it's better. But if it doesn't, it might not be as much as a souffle, but it'll still be a souffle. Don't worry. Well, this is gonna be super fluffy soap, and so apparently this doesn't flow like I thought it would, but it's okay. We're still gonna make a fluffy soap souffle. Okay, guys, we're gonna be putting the Dial soap in the microwave for 1 minute. I have a doctor revision for using this microwave. This is the safe microwave plate. I'm gonna put it in here, and we're gonna watch and see what happens. 1, 0, 0. And I'm gonna get my chair, and I'm gonna watch this soap. Hopefully, it doesn't explode, but I hope it. I can't see it. I hope it doesn't, because that would be horrible. But let's watch it and see what happens. 36 seconds left. I don't see anything happening. We have 26 seconds left. Oh, something happens fast. Yeah, it's not even getting fluffy. Why? Why isn't it getting fluffy? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, got some. Oh, it's super fluffy. Oh, okay. Hey guys, it didn't do much, but we didn't use Ivory Soap, which is the best. But we're gonna try to put it in for another minute. I'm gonna put it in for another minute. Okay, let's see what's happening. Oh, I see it getting white. I see it getting white. Oh my God! Come fluffy, come fluffy, come fluffy, come fluffy. Let's get it fluffy. Come on, get fluffy. Where's the fluff? We're gonna be molding this back into a bar, but instead of having a curve, it's gonna be a solid bar. So you can mold this back into a bar. It is insane. I'm gonna have to take off my hat so I can actually see. Oh, it's getting fluffy. Oh, it's so getting fluffy. Oh, it's so getting fluffy. It is so getting fluffy. Oh, wait, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Huh? You can literally smell it through this. You can smell it through the microwave. Oh, guys, do you see that? Do you see that? It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Oh my God, it's getting fluffy. Oh. What? Ow. I'm gonna take it out, but I'm gonna need the other oven mitt. Okay, so this is for protection on my hands. It didn't get as fluffy as we wanted it to, but it still got pretty darn fluffy. Okay, now let's let this cool for a few seconds. Okay. Okay, so we'll have a fork and let's see how soft the souffle actually is. Well, Dial soap never does this at all. And wait, what? It's stuck up? Oh, does this get hard? Oh, it's so weird. Soap isn't supposed to do this. Oh my God, it's so fluffy. Oh my God. What? I don't understand. As soon as you take it, it hardens. What? It's like, it's so weird. Like, it's so weird. No one ever can pick it up with a fork. Like, what? This is a souffle. This should be on like a breakfast menu. Guys, Guys, look at this. It's like a souffle. I can make it like mashed potatoes. This is insane. It is so cool. But as soon as you like do this, look at this. It's hardened. It's super weird. It is super, super weird. I'm gonna read the hows and whys, the science behind it. When ivory soap is cooked in the microwave, it expands like a soap souffle. This happens because the water molecules stuck in the air pockets heat up and turn into water vapor. The water vapor escapes from the soap mixture, making it puff up and expand as it goes. Other brands of soap have varying degrees of air whipped into them. However, how are they similar to different from Ivory brand soap? Why is Ivory soap better? I'll answer that question right now. Ivory soap is made by ripping a whole bunch of air into the mixture. Little air pockets get trapped in the soap, making it light and fluffy. The air pockets make the soap less dense than water, so soap floats. When Ivory soap is cooked in the microwave, it expands like a soap souffle. Well, that's the secret behind the fluffy soap. Well, that's the end of today's episode. But stay tuned. See you next time. Bye. Like and subscribe to my channel first, though. Bye.